Show me how. All right, folks, I wasn't going to shoot this video, but I really felt led. So what I'm going to do is show you how to swap out an existing drain using the same pipe. So what I'm going to do is put in a Santee coming out of a little sink. This was an existing, this is how it was before, just like that, in the wall for a washing machine, which this is not the right size. You want to use 2-inch for a washing machine. This is 1.5 inches. But the 1.5 inches is sufficient for a little, like a wet bar. So what I did was I cut out this existing Santee, and I'm going to use this no hub connector. That's what they are because it doesn't have a hub. So that's what we call them, no hub connectors back in the day. I'm not sure if they're still called that today. Yeah, they are. No hub, but some people call them, I don't know what they call them, rubber clamps. Anyway, so you can see here the Santee that I'm going to put on. So what you want to do is take a no hub connector. Some of them have a little stopper inside. Actually, I think they all do. The coupling, you could have a coupling without a stopper, but these have the little stopper inside. But you want to just get it up high enough on the pipe that you're going to slide it back down on. And then what I'm going to do is I'll glue this one on, and then I'll glue a little piece in the difference here, and then slide that no hub back down on top. And then I'll have a little drain for a vanity. I don't want to terminate this because I feel like I can get some value out of it, okay? So what I'm going to do is cut this one a little bit higher. I think that will be beneficial. Well, yeah, let's see here. Yeah, it'll be beneficial to get a little bit better fit with the no hub, so I'm going to cut that right now. Okay? Hopefully you can see me cutting it. These paddle saws are good. Sawzall or a hacksaw, and what I did was I used that paddle because you can really get tight spots with it, okay? And I have a little bit more. You'll see I have a little bit more room there now, right here. I have a little bit more height to grab onto. So what you're going to want to do is glue this, okay? Glue your ABS on top, okay? And you can get a measurement using a pencil, which is what I'll do. Don't go anywhere. And you can mark it, okay? And what I'll do is I'll mark it. Make sure you're down on this hub, okay, all the way, and you can mark it to always check. When you lift it off, you'll know you were down all the way, and you'll take this one as though it was inside, and then mark it up top. I still like to have these tight. You can cut this with anything. I'll cut it with my chop saw right now. So I've made my mark as though it was inside the hub. All right, and I'm going to chop it with the chop saw. You skill saw is good, folks. You get a real clean edge even with a skill. And that's it. Then what you want to do is you want to glue all this at once. Okay. I made my mark, and I'm down there plenty sufficient. Okay. What I always like doing is gluing inside the hubs first, because then you don't have as much spillage. On the ground or wherever you're doing your gluing. Then so what you do is you want to glue the pipe, existing branch there, and then I'll glue this one. Remember, you want to glue both sides. Okay. And this is what you do, folks. Shove that one in like that, and then I'll shove this one in like this, okay, and then I'll put that down, okay, and you see how it is. I am almost dead on, okay. Again, I don't like to have my pipes or anything for that matter loose. After that, I will slide down the no hub connector and then clamp it. So you want part of it here and part of it there, and that'll be good to go. That's going to be a really nice fit. Okay. And this will slide down. I'm going to wait for this to dry. I think that's the better thing to do. Yeah, I think it'll be all right. Needs a little bit of faith, folks. To make this video shorter, I'll have to do an edit. So don't go anywhere. Okay, folks. Thanks for not going anywhere. Whoop. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I've just temporarily put that on there for a marker for drywall. I did glue these blocks in with some panel adhesive, floor adhesive. I'll come back, probably drive a couple screws, but boy, I hate to do that and then have it blow all over. And you can see these are really tight up against the edge, and there's the back one on the drain. That'll give me floor backing, a nice seal in the wall. I'll probably insulate that, even though it's interior. And that's it, folks. So once I tap into this with some PEX, I'll probably show you that. I need a female and a male PEX adapter. Boom, I'll have the rough-in for a sink with a vent. No Mickey Mouse in here, okay? All right, show me how. Just showed you how. Thank you for watching.